If you're planning to start a side hustle in 2026, you need to hear this, because the internet is absolutely packed with so-called hustles that promise life-changing money, but in reality, most of them are outdated, overcomplicated noise. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they pick the wrong thing, waste months of their time, and burn out before they ever see results. But imagine if instead of chasing everything, you could ignore 99% of dead-end gigs and focus only on 7 opportunities that are built for right now and that can realistically scale to $100,000 a year. These aren't survey apps or quick cash tricks. These are real, scalable business models. And honestly, they're the only 7 you should even be thinking about. Let's be real for a second. The make money online world is a minefield. Everywhere you look, there are people selling impossible dreams and pretending it's easy. After years of studying what actually works, one thing becomes very clear. Most advice isn't designed to make you wealthy. It's designed to keep you busy. Meanwhile, the creator economy is exploding. Major financial institutions project it could reach nearly $500 billion by 2027. And yet, most people are still fighting for scraps because they don't know where to focus. So here's my promise to you in this video. Clarity. We're going to walk through 7 business models that are positioned to explode in 2026. For each one, I'll explain what it is, why it works, how people are turning it into 6-figure income, and the very first step you can take this week. No fluff, let's lock in. The first side hustle is an AI-powered content agency. And no, this isn't just freelance writing with a fancy name. This is 2026 thinking. Right now, businesses are desperate for content. Blogs, emails, short-form videos, social posts. The problem is, creating all of that is a massive headache. An AI-powered content agency solves that problem. You use AI to handle about 80% of the workload, drafting content, repurposing videos, generating outlines. Then you handle the final 20%, strategy, quality control, and making sure everything sounds human and on brand. You're not competing with creators anymore. You're becoming an AI operator who can deliver 10 times the output of a traditional agency, which makes you incredibly valuable to businesses trying to keep up. The 6-figure path here comes from retainers. Instead of charging $50 for a blog post, you sell a content on demand package for $2,000 a month. For that price, you deliver a full month of content produced efficiently through your AI systems. Land just 2 or 3 clients and you're already making $4,000 to $6,000 a month. From there, you scale by outsourcing parts of the process and stepping into the owner role. 5 clients paying $4,000 a month puts you at $240,000 a year. Your first step is simple. Pick one niche, like dentists, tech startups, or local restaurants, and pick one AI tool. Spend a week mastering how that tool helps that specific industry. Then, reach out to a few local businesses and offer to create a week of content for free in exchange for a testimonial. That proof is what lands your first paying client. The second side hustle is becoming a niche newsletter operator. This one is all about attention, which is the most valuable asset online right now. A niche newsletter serves a very specific audience with highly relevant insight. Something like a weekly breakdown of AI tools just for marketers, or market insights just for real estate investors. Social media algorithms are unpredictable, and people are tired of fighting them. A newsletter gives you a direct relationship with your audience, one you actually own. The money comes from multiple streams. You start free to build trust and get your first 1,000 true fans. Then you introduce paid subscriptions. If just 200 readers pay $10 a month, that's $24,000 a year. Add affiliate recommendations and sponsorships on top of that. A newsletter with 5,000 engaged readers can easily charge $500 to $1,500 per sponsored issue. Stack those streams together and 6 figures becomes very realistic. The first step here is to pick a person, not a topic. Decide exactly who you want to help. Then go where they already hang out and pay attention to the questions they keep asking. Your first newsletters should simply answer those questions. That's how you make something people actually want to read. The The third side hustle is branded dropshipping version 2.0. Forget everything you remember about dropshipping from years ago. Old school dropshipping failed because it relied on generic products, bad ads, long shipping times, and zero trust. Branded dropshipping flips that completely. Instead of selling random items, you build a real brand around a very specific product in a clear problem. You're not selling a dog bed, you're selling an orthopedic anxiety relief bed for senior dogs. People don't buy products. They buy stories, positioning, and trust. And today, creating a legitimate brand is easier than ever. The path to six figures here is about margins and loyalty. If you make $30 profit per sale and hit 10 sales a day, that's $300 a day. Over a year, that's more than $100,000 in profit. You scale by reinvesting into better branding, user-generated content, and an email list that brings customers back. Your first step is to find a problem, not a product. Go read mid-level reviews in popular categories and look for complaints people keep repeating. Then find a product that fixes that exact issue. That's your entry point. The fourth side hustle is becoming a no-code automation consultant. This one is perfect if you like solving problems. Businesses waste insane amounts of time on manual tasks, copying data, sending follow-ups, moving information between tools. As a no-code automation consultant, you connect their systems and automate those workflows without writing any code. You're not just saving time, you're increasing efficiency and profits. Because this skill directly impacts a company's bottom line, it's easy to charge high rates. You might start by charging $500 to automate one process. Then you move into monthly retainers, becoming their automation partner for $2,500 a month or more. Just 4 clients at that rate puts you over 6 figures a year. Your first step is to automate something in your own life. Pick a repetitive task, build a simple automation, and document it. That becomes your first case study. The fifth side hustle is being a YouTube channel manager. This role has become essential. A lot of creators are great at filming, but terrible at everything else. Titles, thumbnails, analytics, strategy, community management, it overwhelms them. A channel manager handles all of that. You become the strategic brain behind the channel, allowing the creator to focus on creating. You start smaller, maybe $500 to $1,500 a month. As you deliver real growth, you raise your rates. Experienced managers easily charge $2,000 to $4,000 per channel. With just a few clients, you're already in 6-figure territory. The first step is learning the platform properly. Get educated, then approach a small creator with a clear audit and specific improvements. Offer value first. The sixth side hustle is high-ticket B2B affiliate marketing. This is not about selling cheap gadgets. Here you promote high-value software and services to businesses. One sale can earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars, often recurring every single month. If one referral earns you $300 a month, that's $3,600 a year from a single sale. Stack a few of those consistently and the income compounds fast. The first step is to choose one business niche and one content platform. Create content that genuinely helps businesses choose the right tools. Trust is everything here. And finally, the seventh side hustle is becoming a modern digital product creator. This is one of the most scalable models out there. A digital product is something you create once and sell forever. In 2026, the opportunity is in systems and templates, things that save people time and mental energy. If you sell a $97 product and sell just 3 per day, you're already over $100,000 a year. The first step is to find proof. Look at what's already selling well. Your goal isn't to reinvent anything, it's to improve what already works. So those are the 7 side hustles actually worth your time in 2026. You don't need 10 ideas, you need 1. Pick the one that fits you, commit to the first step, and stay consistent. A year from now, you'll either be glad you started, or you'll still be watching videos like this, wondering when things will change. The decision starts today.